Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable dark mode in Gmail on Android. So let's get started. Gmail dark mode option is available on Android version 10 and above. So if you have Android mobile running with the Android OS 10 and above, you can enable dark mode in Gmail on Android. First open Gmail app on your mobile. At the top left, tap on three horizontal lines which is for menu. Scroll down and tap on settings. On the next screen, tap on general settings. Here the very first option is theme and the system default is selected at the moment. Tap on the theme option and you will get an option to choose from light theme, dark theme or system default. Just select the dark theme option and you will find that dark mode is enabled in Gmail. So that was all about how to enable dark mode in Gmail on Android. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.